Hello students, today we will see a horizontal section passing through the cerebral hemisphere and structures seen in it. Now what we are having here is the cerebral hemisphere. Again getting oriented, this is the anterior end, posterior, superior, inferior, medial and superolateral. So this is the cerebral hemisphere of the left side. We are taking a horizontal section here passing through the genome and the splenium of the corpus callosum, and when we take that section we see the horizontal section of the cerebral hemisphere. Now let us identify the structures here. This here is the genome of the corpus callosum, same seen here, and these fibers which run from the genome and go towards the frontal pole are known as the forceps minor. Similarly, here on the posterior aspect, this is splenium of corpus callosum, and from there these white fibers going towards the occipital pole are the forceps major. The cavity seen here is cavity of the lateral ventricle, the anterior horn of lateral ventricle here, and the posterior horn of lateral ventricle with the choroid plexus seen posteriorly. Let us now see these deep-seated structures which are seen here. Medial most, this rounded structure anteriorly is the head of the caudate nucleus. Behind it, near the midline, lies the thalamus. Next comes the V-shaped white matter, that is the internal capsule having the anterior horn, genome and the posterior horn. Next comes a biconvex lens-shaped grey matter, that is the lentiform nucleus, having two parts, a medially placed globus pallidus and a laterally placed putamen. More laterally is a thin strip of white matter which is the external capsule. More laterally is a very thin strip of grey matter which is the claustrum. And more laterally again is a thin strip of white matter which is nothing but the cortex of the insula, also known as the extreme capsule, and lateral most is the grey matter of the insula. So these are the various structures which are seen on horizontal section of the cerebral hemisphere. Now for a better view of the structures in the horizontal section of the cerebral hemisphere, we have today our guest teacher Dr. T.C. Singhal sir from Gujarat, who will be also showing us the structures in a more clearer fashion. Let us see what he has to tell us.
Hello friends, I am Dr. T.C. Singhal, Tulsibai C. Singhal, Professor Anatomy, Zydus Medical College, Dahod, Gujarat. Today we will see horizontal section of right cerebrum. This is skull, horizontal section. This is just mid-sagittal section with skull bone. Here we can see anterior part, posterior part, splenium, corpus callosum, and this part is a horizontal part of the section of the genome. This is the medial surface section. Now we see the horizontal section. So now we are observing the horizontal section from anterior to posterior, medial to lateral. Laterally we can see the skull bone, sulci and gyri, and the central part and midline. Anterior to posterior we can see the anterior pole, the caudate nucleus, head of caudate nucleus, posterior pole. Distance between this genome and the anterior pole is less, splenium and posterior pole is more. Now we will see the horizontal section from lateral to medial. Laterally here, my brush is inside the insula, right? Then next to that, this is the grey matter of insula. Next to that, this one is the white matter of insula. Medial to that white matter, here we find the claustrum, which outer surface is irregular and medial surface is smooth, we can see. More medially, we can see external capsule. Then more medial to that, we'll see the lentiform nucleus. Lentiform nucleus, anteromedial to lentiform nucleus, we can see the anterior limb of internal capsule in between the head of caudate nucleus and lentiform nucleus. Posteriorly, posteromedially, we can see posterior limb of internal capsule, lentiform nucleus and thalamus. So, this is lentiform nucleus, putamen and globus pallidus. This one is the head of caudate nucleus, this one is the thalamus, and this is the medial part. This was the anterior or the genu, and this is the forceps minor. I repeat, now from medial to lateral. Medial most, this one the thalamus, caudate nucleus, anterior limb of internal capsule, posterior limb of anterior capsule, lentiform nucleus, external capsule, claustrum is a grey matter, then white matter of insula, grey matter of insula, and now brush is moving inside the insula proper.